Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you all my morning skincare routine.
All about natural beauty, yeah, slim Reshae.
So first, I have on my headband and matching wristbands. The wristbands are so water doesn't drip down your arms as you're doing your skincare. So my first step is normally to just wash my face. And when I say wash my face, I mean like cleanse it. So usually I'll either take just some white Dove soap, or you could take just a regular, cleanser that you want to use. It's totally your preference. Everyone's skin is different, so make sure you tweak this routine to what your skin needs. So I'll literally just take a bar of Dove soap, the original one, and I'll just wet my hands and rub it together in my hands, and then I'll just circular motions upward, and I'll just wash this part of my face, and I'll go up and do my forehead. Then I'll rinse my face. I don't like water in my eyes, so I always be keeping my eyes shut, but then I'll rinse my face after I wash it with the regular soap. And then my next step is to treat my face. So a lot of people has been asking me, what did I use to clear up my skin? I think once I hit the age of 26, like my skin just didn't have as much active acne anymore. So maybe it was, I don't know, my age where my acne started clearing up. Right now I just have a lot of hyperpigmentation and dark marks or scarring from previous acne, but I usually don't have that much active acne going on. However, another thing I did switch up in my routine around the age of 26 when my acne started, going away, is using this orange yellow soap or yellow soap. So this is from Underneath Skincare, and this is not for the faint at heart. This is not for the sensitive skin girlies. When I first started using this acne bar soap, it is very drying to the skin, but for me it dried out that acne, so I liked it because I felt like it was working on my skin. It was drying out my acne. I had no issues with dry skin because I would moisturize and everything after that. I really do like it. This is probably my third or fourth bar I've had in the course of 2 years. All right, so I just rub it on my hands, do the same thing. Now this step I consider treating versus cleansing, because it's an acne soap bar, so it's supposed to treat your acne. I don't like going straight in with this because I want to make sure my skin is clean first before I treat it. Now this, I feel like it smells like old cigarettes, but that's just me. But outside of the smell, it does the job. Don't get it in your eyes, Jesus. I think I saw, like when I first started using it, that you could leave it on as a mask, but it can burn your skin if you leave it on too long, or if you have super sensitive skin. So I like to just put it on, leave it for a few seconds, and then rinse it right on off. And again, these wristbands are keeping all the water from going down my arms, which I love. From here, now that my face is washed and treated, I'm gonna just dab off all that water. You wanna use a clean rag or a paper towel to do this. That's more clean than using like a rag, so I like using a paper towel to get off all of that water, and then my face is clean and it's treated. Okay, so next up, I like using this Glow recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner, and I started using this probably during COVID, and Glamzilla put me on because her skin was glowing after she used this. So I rant and rave about this because I love it. So I just drip some on my face on both sides and on my forehead. and then I massage it in. I don't like using like a cotton brown to rub it in because I feel like it absorbs that product. So I just rub it in with my hands, and then I give it a few seconds to dry down. You can use any toner that you prefer. I just personally like this toner. Next, I'm using my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrop. So anything with niacinamide in it, I'd be like, yes, give it to me. And then I just rub that all over my face. And I mean, look at the glow. So from here, I like to lock in this glow and this moisture with a moisturizer. So depending on where I'm going, depends on the moisturizer that I use. I did pick up the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Sunscreen, and I do like this sunscreen. It leaves you with a good glow. But I also have the Ole Henriksen Truth Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream, and this is very moisturizing, very brightening, so I do enjoy using this one as well. I definitely recommend if you're going outside to have that SPF coverage, but right now I'm not going outside, so I think I'm gonna use my vitamin C brightening cream. If you're a CeraVe girly, they do have the daily moisturizing lotion, which is great for day-to-day use if you're not trying to use like high-end skincare. But I'm gonna take my Ole Henriksen vitamin C cream and just really add all of that moisture back in my face. Last but not least is the lips. I love using a lip mask to start off the day. This is the NARS Orgasm Lip Mask. I'm not sure if they still sell this or if they just rebranded it under NARS Skin, because it used to be sold like in the makeup section at Sephora. But an alternate is the Fenty Skin lip mask. That plush lip mask they have, oh, I love that one. 20 out of 10. Or you can use any other lip product that really does it for your lips, because I have crusty lips, so I gotta make sure I have a thick product that is gonna get the crust uncrusted. And I like to rub that around the outside of my lips as well. That's why it be looking like I just be having lip gloss everywhere, because I like to put my lip mask around the outside of my lip to just make sure everything is fully moisturized. So that is pretty much it for my morning skincare routine. From here, you're prepped and ready for any makeup look that you want to do. Again, like I said, you want to make sure you use an SPF if you're going outside. So I would definitely recommend including an SPF like the Glow Recipe one, or there's plenty other like SPF moisturizers that you can find out there, the Fenty Skin Hydrovisor, all of those. So I'll link all the products I use in the description box below, and if you're still watching, that means you enjoyed this video. So make sure you hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I love you guys so very much, and until next time, bye.